Hello everyone, welcome into SQ World. Today in this video we are going to learn an important topic in software testing. What is a bug and what is the bug life cycle? If you are a beginner in QA, understanding bugs and how they move through different stages is very important for your career. So let's break it down in a very simple way and understand it step by step. This is agenda. What is a bug? What is bug life cycle? Stages of bug life cycle, workflow diagrams, real example, and summary. We will discuss in this topic about this. What is a bug? A bug is basically an error, defect, or mistake in a software application that causes it to behave in an expected way. For example, if a button is not working, a page is crash, or the app is showing wrong data, all of these are considered bugs. As a tester, your job is to find these bugs and report them clearly so developer can fix them. What is bug life cycle? Now let's talk about the bug life cycle. The bug life cycle is the journey of a bug from the moment it is found until it is fixed and closed. It defines different states a bug goes through during its life in software testing. Now, I will explain step by step the stages of bug life cycle. This is the bug life cycle stages. New. New is a state when a tester finds a bug and report it. If you found any issue in the application, so this is a new state. Assigned. The bug is assigned to a developer. So after finding a bug, you need to assign to the developer. Open. The developer starts working on the bug. So when you assign the bug to the developer will start working on the bug. And the fixed state is the developer fix this issue. So after opening the bug, developer will fix this issue and mark this bug as a fixed or resolved. So after fixing this bug by a developer, you need to retest. So you need to retest, check again to confirm it is fixed or not. If this issue is not fixed, so you need to reopen this bug. But if the bug is fixed, so you need to close it. If everything is working fine, the bug is marked as closed. This is the cycle of bugs. First, when any issue you find in the application, you need to mark as new, then you assign this bug to the developer and the developer will open this bug and it will fix this bug and mark as a fixed. After fixing this bug, you need to retest and verify whether this bug is resolved or not. If this bug is fixed, so you need to close this bug. Severity and priority. Severity impact of bug on application functionality, while priority how quickly the bug should be fixed. Suppose when the user open the application and the application is crashed, so you need to fix this issue on a priority. So priority will be high and the severity also high. And one thing need to be remember, high severity does not equal to high priority always. This is the example bug, login button not working. Suppose you open a login page and login button is not working. So tester will report this bug to the developer and developer will fix this issue. After fixing this issue, you need to retest and verify whether this bug is resolved or not. If this bug is fixed, so you need to mark closed. This is the conclusion. Bug lifecycle helps track and manage defects efficiently. It improves communication between tester and developer. So that's a simple explaining of a bug is and the bug lifecycle. I hope this video help you understand the concept clearly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to SQ World for more testing tutorials. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. I will be happy to help you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.